How to share Instagram voice message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. Once you're here, tap the direct message icon in the top right corner. You will be taken to your chat list. Select and open the conversation containing the voice message you wish to forward. On the chat screen, tap and hold on the voice message to bring up a menu of options. From the pop-up menu, tap on the Forward option. Here, select the recipient's name and tap on the Send button at the bottom. The voice message will now be sent to the selected contact. You can check the other chat to confirm it was sent. As you can see, the voice message has been forwarded. Following these steps, you can easily share an Instagram voice message on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.